a vacation, Luigi. I don't know, Mario. Just shut up, man. Just shut up. Yeah. Just shut up.
Hey, Charles. How you doing, man? How you doing?
Go away, Tails. We hate you. Yeah, get the crap out of here, Tails. Well, we don't want nothing to do with you.
You hurt my feelings.
Tails, you're so gay. Get out. Yeah. Mamma mia, I ate too much Scarlet. Hey, Wario, can you be my friend? No, you are gay. Here, come here and eat my crap. Come here and eat my crap. Wario, sorry for trying to distract. You just look like him. Oh, so you want more, eh? Okay. Are you done yet? Yes. Oh, you want more? Now get out of here. Oh, that was a nice crap. Now I must lay down. Oh yeah, fo. I just got Kill Street on Call of Duty, fo. Yeah, fo. What you doing trying here, man? Didn't you be my friend? No, you did, fo. Now get in my room. Viewers, let me introduce to you someone new. Retarded Mario. Hey, I can count to 1 to 100. 100. Then when the constantly bang my head on the wall for no apparent reason.
Karen, you'll get in trouble.
Shut it. Hey, I want to go to Chuck E. Cheese. I only go to Chuck E. Cheese. Man, I only go to Chuck E. Cheese. What? Mario, you're retarded Mario. You are so retarded.
Wow.
Yeah, fo. Yeah, I just found some Kill Street on Call of Duty. Yeah, fo. Yeah, I did, fo. I did. Yeah, fo. Yeah, I just got Kill Street, fo. Yeah, this is awesome, fo. Playing some Call of Duty.
Are you actually gonna put that?
Yeah, fo. Yeah, I got Kill Street, fo. Yeah. Why is that a green elf sitting next to me, fo? What do you want, green elf? Can you speak English for me, fo?
Yeah, fo.
Oh, you're silent. Oh, you're mute, man. You're mute.
No, good.
I'm gonna play some Call of Duty. Playing some Call of Duty.
Why did you just press that one?
Yeah. I'm getting Kill Street, man. I'm getting Kill Street. So, how you two doing, fo?
Fine.
So what are you doing in the crib, man? What are you doing in my crib?
We came here because you're in our house, so.
No, this is our vacation home. We're on vacation.
Okay. What should we do? Okay. Since you're too mute and you can't speak, I'll just do it. Listen, you're in our house. Why are you in our house? Tell us now.
Just a master wanted to come here, so we had to come here with us too. Black Yoshi, how many times do I have to tell you? Why do you sneak? Why do you always take the Xbox controller when I'm not looking? Sorry, Fo, I just want to play some Call of Duty, man. Yeah, I want to play some Call of Duty. Okay. Luigi, come up here. What is it, Mario? What do you want, Mario? I want you to buy me some Doritos. You think I'm gonna shell out my money just to buy freaking Doritos, man? You're lazy. You're lazy. Just like that fat guy over there. Who are you two, man? Who are you two?
I'm Black Rock Shooter, but you can call me Rock for short. And this is Link. He's mute, cannot speak.
Okay. And there's one person we want you to meet.
No.
Meet retarded Mario. Hey there. I should count to 1 to 3. 1 to 1 3.
You didn't count to 3, you idiot. Just kill him.
I know. Sorry, he has a mental disease.
Link has a mute disease, and that does not stop him. Right, Link?
Whatever. Well, Tails just got drowned in the toilet.
Really?
By Wario.
That's fast, though. I can't believe he drowned him.
Yeah.
I'd figure that Wario was...
And we called Tails gay and threw him out of here.
Why?
We hate Tails. He's stupid.
What he ever did to you? He's adorable.
He touched my game.
Really. Over again?
That guy, give me Mario back. What?
Fine, we'll go. Ow.
Luigi, why do you never buy me Doritos? Because I spend my money on the house, man. I have to pay bills, man. I don't care. Hello, Wario. Oh, hi. Hi, Mario and Luigi. Who's your friends? They're just strangers we just met. Yeah. So what? So how was your crap? It was good. And I made Tails eat it.
Okay, that's kind of inappropriate.
Shut up, you two.
I think you showed my face, Jeremy. Please say you didn't.
Shut up, you two. Shut up. Shut the crap up. Hey, Mario, Luigi, want to do some fun? Yeah, let's throw Tails in the toilet.
Where's Tails, anyway?
Hey, Wario, what are you doing? I don't know, we can't find Tails. Okay, so this should be in the episode. Bye.